Endemic species. Endemic species are plants and animals that exist only in one geographical region. Species can be endemic to large or small areas of the earth. Some are endemic to a particular continent, some to part of a continent, and others to a single island. Usually, an area that contains endemic species is isolated in some way, so that species have difficulty spreading to other areas, or it has unusual environmental characteristics to which endemic species are uniquely adapted. In isolated environments such as the Hawaiian Islands, Australia, and the southern tip of Africa, as many as 90% of naturally occurring species are endemic. In less isolated regions, including Europe and much of North America, the percentage average of endemic species can be very small. Endangered species list. A species is listed under one of the two categories: endangered species or threatened species, depending on its status and the degree of threat it faces. An endangered species is one that is in danger of extinction throughout all or a significant portion of its range. Threatened species. A threatened species is one that is likely to become endangered in the foreseeable future throughout all or a significant portion of its range. To help conserve genetic diversity, the ESA defines species broadly to include subspecies and, for vertebrates, distinct populations. What are the criteria for deciding whether to add a species to the list? A species is added to the list when it is determined to be an endangered or threatened species because of any of the following factors. Number 1. The present or threatened destruction, modification, or curtailment of its habitat or range. Number 2. Overutilization for commercial, recreational, scientific, or educational purposes. Number 3. Disease or predation, and the inadequacy of existing regulatory mechanisms. Number 4. Other natural or man-made factors affecting its survival.